Many of today's dating apps might be owned by the same company, but each app still caters to different audiences and offers different features. Whether you're looking for a hookup or marriage material, you want the process to be as easy as possible and you want your matches to be right for you. That's why today we'll take a look at some popular dating apps, what they offer, their downsides, and we'll even throw in a little safety advice for good measure, so you can start racking up matches. Welcome back to another video from Cybernews.com. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We post weekly videos offering discoveries and opinions in the field of cybersecurity. So if you're new to the dating game and your wrist muscles haven't really climatized to all that swiping left, swiping right malarkey, then you might want to consider the Zoosk dating app. This app has over 40 million users looking for a serious dating experience. It's almost like the middle ground of online dating, not as serious as eHarmony and without the Netflix and chill pressure that can come with Tinder. This app is pretty basic. You can integrate it with your Facebook account, so that does give it an extra level of profile authentication and an easier sign-in process altogether. There is also the option to verify your photos and receive a verified badge. This is done by submitting a short selfie-style video of yourself that the moderators will review in regards to your photos, which is a lot more than some competitors do to authenticate users' identities. A very important factor to consider is that you can technically use Zoosk for free, but you won't be able to message anyone without a paid subscription, which is pretty disappointing. Whilst experienced users may find this app a bit basic, new users who are a bit nervous about starting their online dating journey can use this app as a stepping stone to get the feel of online dating before jumping in with the big fish. Now, if you're looking for casual dating, which has the potential to flower into something serious, but you don't want to join the senior table on eHarmony, Hinge is a pretty solid choice. Take one look at their website and you'll see their modern, low-key and youthful take on dating. This dating app understands the pressures that come with online dating, providing pre-date resources like meditations that can be accessed on their website. Their whole premise is that Hinge is the dating app designed to be deleted. Great marketing, if nothing else. This app encourages detailed profiles and uses an award-winning algorithm that narrow down your most compatible matches. However, their in-app nudges reminding you to reply to messages could get a little annoying, and they do have an 8-a-day cap on how many likes you can send. Now, if you live in a small town and you've recently gone through a breakup and you don't want people you know appearing in your matches, Facebook Dating offers a feature which lets you block friends of friends. This feature lets you meet entirely new people and gives you a more anonymous dating experience. You should know the app is accessible on mobile only, so you won't be able to access this on your laptop. So it's safe to say the days of searching for love via your laptop are days gone. After all, there's nothing better than filling your work commute time by chatting to possible love interests. You won't need an additional app to use Facebook Dating. It's located on your Facebook app already, and when you sign up, you can transfer your information over to your dating profile. On this dating app, you can even find people that already like the same groups as you, and so on. However, one of the biggest downsides of this app is that it's Facebook owned, and romance scams, bad actors, and catfishers already operate on this network. So that's a major factor to consider. If your interest is piqued, then be sure to check out our Facebook dating review. So we've all heard about Grindr, a popular choice for gay, bisexual, and queer men looking for romance. And if you'd like to learn more, we've got an in-depth review that you can check out. But what about queer women? Well, Her is a pretty popular choice for queer women that want to avoid unicorn hunters that operate on apps like Tinder and are looking for a real sense of community. This app focuses on safety first and has moderators that work around the clock to safeguard its users. Her integrates personal touches that bring understanding to users' identities and pronouns. It offers many basic features for free, like starting chats, but we especially like the ability to join communities and view events. However, there have been some complaints that the app can have many unverified accounts, which is a huge shame, as this app seems to be trying really hard to provide a safe space for queer women to connect. And this isn't something exclusive to this app. Most dating apps will have unverified accounts, that's why it's always best to be cautious. Moving on to Bumble. This app's whole get-up is completely different from any of the other apps that we've mentioned. Its whole design means that women must message first, then there's a 24-hour window to reply, and if they don't, they lose that potential match. You can connect not only your Instagram account, but also your Spotify account, and you can edit which bands show up on your profile. But if you're someone who tends to check their dating app once a week and replies within a 1-month window, then this app won't really be for you. Although the ability to rematch with expired connections is locked behind the paid Bumble Boost plan, so that could get a little irritating. Whichever app you decide to go for on your journey of love, it's important to remember that online dating often comes with many risks. Before I outline the most important factors to consider, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for regular advice. So before jumping into a summer romance online, it's important to remember that romantic scams happen every day and you need to stay alert and look for the red flags. Generally, scammers will try to take you off of the app and get you to talk over email or similar places. Don't fall for that. And it's imperative that you don't hand over your sensitive information to a stranger. So be careful about what you're sharing online. And always use strong passwords or some form of two-factor authentication for all your online accounts. That's it from us today. Thanks for watching this video. Let us know your favorite dating apps down in the comments. We'll see you next time.